Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to set an IP address range in Salesforce quickly and easily. First, log into Salesforce and click the gear icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Advanced Setup. Next, use the Quick Find box at the top and type Network, then click on Network Access. Now click New to create a new IP range. Enter your start IP address and end IP address. If you want a single IP to have access, enter the same IP in both fields. Optionally, add a description for your IP range like Office Network or Client Network to make it easier to identify later. Finally, click Save. Your new IP address range is now set, ensuring only authorized users can access Salesforce. And that's it. You've successfully configured IP access to enhance your Salesforce security. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.